so bright, it almost hurts.
In a city where night outshines the stars, wonder walks hand in hand with confusion. They all look perfect, not like me.
I can't hear myself think.
Noise is louder when silence inside is lost.
The truest reflection isn't in glass. Guess the city still has music after all.
I don't need to shine like them. I already glow. Not every light blinds. Some simply remind you who you are.
Maybe I was looking down too long. When you lift your eyes.
In the end, he learns.